Eric, now about this impending snowstorm, because it sounds like it's going to get pretty rough.
Yeah, lots of rain, Eric.
Did I say snowstorm?
You did, but maybe that was wishful thinking.
I don't know
as
why
you
I
look
said
at these
snowstorm.
beautiful
I know it's a
Christmas
rainstorm.
trees.
All right, you've been promoted. You are now chief meteorologist. You have changed the forecast on us, and well, you would think end of December, right? We'd be talking about a snowstorm. Last year, a couple days before Christmas, it was an ice storm. I think this would be a little bit easier to travel in at least, and then we had that snow right on Christmas Day. A little bit of a different pattern this time around. Street and river flooding is the main concern with this one, so more of a Grinch storm than anything else. A chance of damaging winds, especially where the air gets warmest and toward the Cape and the islands. And some minor coastal flooding is likely as well. Snow and ice nowhere to be seen here in southern New England with this storm. Temperatures tonight in the 20s to middle 30s. We won't see them fall back too much more. We've got a little bit of a light southwesterly wind, which is bringing some milder air in our direction. This is our storm system just getting started, and it's going to have an unusual tug of very tropical air right down from the deep tropics, and it's going to deliver it right into New England. So although it's been very cold for the last couple of nights, things will change in a hurry. So tomorrow morning, we wake up to readings in the 20s and about 30 in downtown Boston, and we'll look at those temps climb to near 50 in the afternoon. Nice day tomorrow. One of the best days of the week. We'll be close to 50 degrees with generally light winds and a lot of sunshine. The clouds won't roll in until later in the afternoon. So get outside and enjoy it. Now, tomorrow evening is where things start to go downhill. After 8 o'clock, a chance for some rain showers, especially for interior areas, more toward western and central Massachusetts. Most of the storm really starts late at night and into Friday morning, and that's when we get our steadier and heavier rain. As that warm front comes north on Friday morning, in comes the milder air. So we'll look at highs into the 60s, and you kind of get a sense here, looking at that future radar, a straw of that tropical rain. So we'll have this band, which is just moving up over the region and slowly moving from west to east throughout the day and throughout Friday night. So most of the day we're dealing with this. Then as we head towards Saturday morning, a lingering rain shower. It's a mild start, but a much colder finish as we head toward the late afternoon and the evening. So a flood watch is out. 1 to 3 inches of widespread rain, and localized amounts of 3 to 5 are going to be possible where we see some of those heavier bands over the same areas. That will produce a minor to moderate river flooding, as well as the urban and poor drainage flooding you usually get when you get a lot of rain in a short amount of time. We know the water table's up. We know the ground will be defrosting a little bit on Friday with those temperatures. It's been the 5th wettest year on record at Blue Hill Observatory, and this will get us to 3rd. In fact, Kingston, Mass. right now is about 3.5 inches away for the state record for annual rainfall. So we'll see how much we end up getting. I do think the heavier totals are probably going to be west of Kingston. In terms of our wind gusts, 50 miles per hour to as much as 65 near the coast and across southeastern Mass. Our strongest winds overall, Cape Cod, Martha's Vineyard, and Nantucket. So we could see some tree damage, some power lines coming down. Still some significant gusts inland as well. From the temperature side of things, we topped 60 degrees from Worcester to Boston. That would set new records for the dates. There's a look region-wide. A little cooler across New Hampshire, but not much cooler. We're talking 50s there. Now, as we head into Saturday, we'll start off well into the 50s, and I think we'll hold them till about midday. But as we go toward the afternoon and the evening, that colder air will rush back in. So it'll be breezy. It'll feel like winter again by Saturday evening. And then Sunday, we're looking sunny and dry in the low 40s. So it should be an excellent day for the Patriots. Snow weather concerns at all there. It'll feel like December again. Still watching a chance for a couple flurries and snow showers on Christmas Eve Monday near 40. And right now, Christmas Day itself looks bright and sunny. A little different than last year, but no travel headaches there for the couple days leading up.
And nice and dry for Santa to do his work.
Exactly.
All right, Eric, thank you. Commuting can turn